Oh yeah, let's make this particular ice cream. Now, if you cannot make this one, I posted ice cream yesterday. If you cannot make the one I posted yesterday, I posted ice cream day before yesterday. So you can go ahead and use any of those one. But because this particular one now, you may ask me what should I use in replacement of this. So since there is no replacement, you can use the one I posted yesterday. All right. Anyway, there's replacement. I will tell you the replacement. Now, in this particular one, I'll be using whipped cream powder. So I have this whipped cream powder that I use for my friend's cake, and I have leftover, so I have to use it for the ice cream. Now I'm using 1.5 cup of whipped cream powder. Now in every 1 cup of whipped cream powder, you need one cup of cold water or 1 cup of cold milk. It's either you use cold water or you use cold milk. Now milk is better. But 2 of them will work. So I'm using 1.5 cup of my whipped cream powder here. I'll be using 1.5 cup of water and excuse me. I told you to hold on that I'm doing video. Now, and I'm using 1 cup of cold water and 1/2 cup of cold milk. All right, mommy, what is it? Mommy should talk to you only. Mommy should not talk on the phone. Now this evaporated milk is 1/2 cup. I know because I use it to bake a lot, so that's 1/2 cup. I'll go ahead and use my whisk to just do it. 1 minute is ready. This thing doesn't take time. Just 1 minute, just whisk it 1 minute like that. It don't form already. This thing is the most easiest thing you can make. The most easiest thing. So just see I never even do count to 10. See you don't already do before I even count to 60. That's 1 minute. It was already curdled, so you don't even really need to whisk it. Use your spatula if you don't have whisk like this. All right, you see so it doesn't take time. Now this is it. After a minute, this is how it's looking. This one was too thick for me because I was using nylon, all these small things that I was using that I know you can easily find. All right, so since it was too thick, I decided to just add a little bit of water, and I also added a little bit of condensed milk. Now the condensed milk, you don't really need it though, but I just added the condensed milk because of this video. All right, you don't really need it. Yeah, so I'm using here condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. So this condensed milk now my husband buy and to use and do something. I don't use and drink and finish. So I'll just go ahead and mix up everything. Now you can go ahead and add in your vanilla flavor. Use any flavor, but I did not use any flavor in this particular one. I just wanted it simple like that. So I went ahead and added in a pinch of salt. Now, and the salt is optional. If you don't want it, okay, just because it is too sweet. So I just need to balance out the sweetness. Do you understand? So this is how it's looking like. Now the chocolate, I use this Domo. So to make the chocolate ice cream, if you're using this Domo, the prescription is written on the body. Direction is what I mean. The direction is written on the body how you can make it. So I did not follow the direction. I just added water and whisk away. You understand? So I just made it a little bit like that just because of what I wanted to use it for. You understand? So this one I'll just use it to spread all over the cup, and then before I put in the main ice cream. This one is also ice cream on its own. So you understand? So you can use cocoa powder instead for this, but I couldn't find cocoa powder. I told you guys, that's why I have to use this Domo. This Domo I was supposed to use it for one particular recipe. I wanted to use it as my cake layers. Do you understand? But then it no go reach me, and I was waiting to find another one. Till now the topic couldn't get another one, so I just have to use it up. That means I won't be using it for what I wanted to use it for. So I just decided to use it for this video. So after spreading it like this, put it in your freezer. Let it freeze for some minutes, then bring it out and put in your ice cream. Do you understand? Just like that. The ice cream was still too thick. Now, after putting your ice cream in your cup, in your nylon, whatever you're using, just go ahead and spread it out, and then use this skewer to just freeze. Just like that, you're good to go. Freeze everything, and this is what you should get in the next 4 hours. This is what you will get. And very creamy, very delicious. I know you're going to learn. Now you're asking, where will I get whipped cream? In baking shop, I think it's 2.5, because I got other things too. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, follow for more. Bye.